Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a trim removal tool, various sockets, and a new window regulator. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully remove the door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing a few fasteners, revealing the inner workings of your door. With the door panel off, you'll see the window glass attached to the regulator. Carefully detach the glass, securing it in the up position with tape to prevent it from falling. Next, locate the electrical connector for the window motor and unplug it. Finally, unbolt the entire regulator assembly from the door frame. There are typically 3 to 4 bolts holding it in place, so keep track of them. Now, take your new window regulator and carefully position it inside the door cavity. Align the mounting holes and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly. Once the regulator is bolted in, reconnect the electrical connector to the motor. Finally, carefully lower the window glass and attach it to the new regulator's clips or mounting points, ensuring it's seated correctly. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test the window's up and down operation. Ensure it moves smoothly and without obstruction. Once satisfied, reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips engage and screws are tightened. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your window regulator, saving yourself time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.